Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Anthony Enea. I'm an attorney at Enea, Scanlan Sirignano, LLP. We are an elder law and estate planning firm in White Plains and Somers, New York. There are 9 lawyers in the firm, probably 20 to 25 support staff as well. So I want to talk to you today about the nuts and bolts of elder law planning. I want to give you a sense of the kind of the issues as that an elder law attorney will have to deal with. So our learning objectives for today are going to be to understand various advanced directives, including healthcare proxies, the HIPAA form, living wills, and durable powers of attorney. We're going to talk about the importance of a last will and testament and the ramifications of dying with assets in your name alone when you don't have a last will and testament. And then we're going to talk about some very effective strategy for protecting the client's assets and probate avoidance, including the use of revocable and irrevocable trust. And finally, we'll go into Medicaid eligibility, the criteria, the application process, and recent changes as in the law as it relates to Medicaid, in particular Medicaid home care. So the first documents we're going to talk about are the advanced directives, and you'll see them listed there. The healthcare proxy, the power of attorney, the living will, the HIPAA form, a burial designation form, the basic testamentary documents, a last will and testament, a revocable living trust, and an irrevocable trust as well. So let's start off with the healthcare proxy. So the healthcare proxy is basically the only document recognized by law in New York where you can appoint somebody to make healthcare decisions for you when you can no longer make them. It is a very, very important document. Everybody should have a healthcare proxy. Each one of us that are adults should always have a healthcare proxy. The biggest issue that I encounter when having a client sign a healthcare proxy is getting them to understand, A, that this document does not allow the agent that you selected to make decisions for you if you're able to make them yourself. It only comes into play if you are unable to make your own medical decisions.